Okay guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about Solana. And I'm going to tell you why I really believe that Solana can skyrocket during this upcoming bull run. I'm going to give you price predictions, technical analysis, news like this article here. But most importantly, after I'm done with this video, after I'm done convincing you, basically, that Solana is going to be one of the top performers of this upcoming bull run, I'm going to post more videos on altcoins that have smaller market capitalizations that are built on the Solana ecosystem. So if you love Solana and the Solana ecosystem as a whole, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these upcoming videos that I'm going to post on small cap altcoins that are built on Solana. Okay, so before I drop my 2025 price prediction for Solana and hit you with the latest news, let me start by hitting you with a reality check. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the truth about Solana, and I know many of you won't like it, especially those of you who are haters, those of you who don't like Solana, they won't like what I'm about to say. But this is the truth, okay? So the truth is Solana is currently the market leader, okay guys? In other words, Solana is the market leader right now. Either you like it or not. It's not my opinion, it's not what I believe. This is just facts, cold, hard facts, okay? Solana is the market leader right now, okay? Therefore, since Solana is currently one of the market leaders out there in the crypto market, we expect Solana and the Solana ecosystem as a whole to go ballistic, okay, to skyrocket during this upcoming bull run. So the truth is that Solana is currently one of the winners, okay? And therefore, the winners tend to take it all. The winners tend to take it all, and that's life, guys, okay? That's basically the Pareto principle. This is it right here. What is the Pareto principle? The Pareto principle states that in a given nation, 20% of the people own 80% of the wealth. However, Pareto principle goes deeper than that. We can look at the richest 20% and then calculate the wealth of the richest 20% of that group. Okay? So once again, Pareto principle applies. And therefore, roughly 4% own 64% of the wealth. Keep repeating that calculation, and we end up with about 9 people. By some estimates, this tiny group has as much as wealth as the poorest half of the world. Okay, guys? Read this again one more time so you get it. Look at this quote here. With limited time or opportunity to experiment, we intentionally narrow our choices to those at the top. Seth Godin. Let's read this one more time. With limited time or opportunity to experiment, we intentionally narrow our choices to those at the top. Okay? How many of you might be thinking, how is that related to Solana? I'll show you how it directly applies to the crypto market overall, and particularly to the Solana ecosystem and its native token, SO. So the Pareto principle tells us that 20% of the players control 80% of the wealth. Okay? In crypto, same applies. A small number of projects or winners dominate the market during every bull run. Okay? Anytime. A small number of top projects or winners dominate the market. Now, if we zoom in on the Solana ecosystem, as I told you, Solana is one of the current market leaders. They have a strong reputation for fast transactions, low fees, a solid developer base. Okay? So according to the Pareto principle, as the crypto market as a whole matures and the bull run heats up, the top ecosystems like Solana will naturally attract majority of investment. Why? Because in any market, whether it's wealth distribution or innovation or blockchain or crypto, anywhere in life, the few winners at the top always absorb more resources, users, and money. Okay, guys? So during the next bull run, Solana being one of the front runners, one of the market leaders, Solana is positioned to benefit disproportionately. Okay? They are positioned to benefit. More money will flow into the top players. And as Solana continues to build out its ecosystem with new partnerships, new applications, it's going to capture a significant chunk of the new capital flowing into the crypto market. This is why SO has the potential to skyrocket. Just as 20% of crypto projects will capture 80% of the market value, Solana is already among the elite who are said to be the biggest beneficiaries of this dynamic. As the winner takes more, okay, just like the Pareto principle says, the winner tends to take it all. So as the winner takes more, Solana will gain value at an exponential rate compared to other altcoins. 95% of all altcoins will disappear, guys, in the future, okay? Solana is positioned in a way that it's going to be one of the biggest beneficiaries of this market cycle. It's one of the top tokens to watch in the next bull run, no doubt. Okay, now that you guys know what the Pareto principle is, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Look at this. Solana is currently priced at 155.71, okay? 4.57% today. We are up about 5% today, okay? The past 7 days, we've seen a 10% move, guys, okay? That's a big move for a large cap token like Solana. The market capitalization is currently sitting at 73 billion, okay? It's ranked number 5 on CoinMarketCap based on market capitalization. This is their Twitter account. It says, Solana is a blockchain built for mass adoption. It's fast, composable, green, and globally distributed. That's their X account. Solana FNDN, okay, at Solana. They are based in Switzerland, and they have 2.7 million followers, guys, okay, on X. That's a lot. It's a lot of followers right here. If we look at the monthly chart on CoinMarketCap, we see a 6% increase. However, what's interesting is yearly chart, the 1 year chart. It's over 700%, guys, okay? That's crazy. Look at this. In November of 2023, Solana was priced at, what is it, $40. Since then, it went up a lot. It's currently near $156, okay? As you see here on CoinMarketCap, we have 82% bullish and 18% bearish, okay? I am bullish on SO, fanboy stated. If we scroll down, let's see what other comments we can find. Some people are bearish, some people are bullish. We don't care, okay? Because the truth is that Solana is one of the market leaders, guys, okay? And remember, Pareto principle. And Solana has been growing its ecosystem, guys. Look at this news that I found that are pretty recent, okay? Solana Seeker. What you know about the crypto smartphone saga's successor. That was published on September of 2024. That was a few days ago, 2 days ago, the 24th of September, okay? If we scroll down, key points. Solana Seeker unveiled that token 2049, presented as the definitive Web3 mobile device. The crypto-first device reportedly now has 70 million in pre-orders. That's crazy, guys. Look at this, $70 million in pre-orders. I looked it up earlier, and that's about 140,000 devices that are being pre-ordered, okay? Solana Mobile was founded with the mission of taking crypto mobile, said Solana Labs CEO. Leading blockchain Solana has unveiled its next crypto smartphone, the Seeker, at the Token 2049 conference in Singapore. And the upcoming phone marks a significant step in Solana's mission of delivering what could be the everything platform and phone in one. Okay? If we can find some of the features. Better specs. Solana promised better cameras, higher quality screen, and an upgraded battery, as well as a more portable design. They have a seed vault wallet. The wallet allows users to self-custody their digital assets and includes enhanced security features such as burner mode and double tap transactions. Improved DApp, decentralized application store concept. The Seeker's phone's independent app store, App Seeker 2.0, will enable developers to launch specialized cryptocurrency apps. Minus, meaning without the high gas fees that usually come with the mainstream app stores. Okay, that's crazy, guys. Another one, DeepIn integration. The Seeker is integrated with decentralized physical infrastructure network, DeepIn functionality. Okay, look it up, guys. This phone is amazing. Okay. Another news that I found interesting recently. Look at this. Franklin Templeton and Citibank to adopt Solana for new services. Franklin Templeton has revealed plans to launch a mutual fund on the Solana network, while Citibank is also exploring using the network. Citibank is one of the biggest banks in the US, guys. Okay. Franklin Templeton is a $1 trillion asset manager, has revealed plans to adopt the Solana network for its own chain mutual fund. Another Wall Street giant, Citibank, is also exploring using Solana to process transfers and other smart contract services. These developments are undoubtedly positive for the Solana ecosystem, which boasts bullish fundamentals following recent announcements. Okay, guys, I'm going to paste the URL for this article in my description, so you can just click on it and read it on your own. I'm not going to spend any more time here, but look at this. $1 trillion asset manager Franklin Templeton and one of the biggest banks in the United States, Citibank, to adopt Solana for new services. On top of that, a new phone is coming out that is going to be secure. It's going to have a better design. Okay, it's going to have its own that you can access only through this phone. These news are amazing, guys, and they show that Solana is growing its ecosystem. Okay, let's look at TradingView. This is the chart that we've been looking at in this channel. Okay, we have been moving inside this channel. Okay, this is the top resistance trend line, this red line. This is the bottom support trend line. We've been bouncing, okay, on the support. We've been seeing resistance, rejections to this top resistance line, okay, at 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bounces on the support, okay. Now, as you see here, this $120 level is a key support level for the SOL price, okay, and it has been tested multiple times this year in 2024. It has been tested at least like 5 times, okay. There was a 6th time here. Now, as long as we're moving above this level of support at $120, we remain bullish. Okay? What we don't want to see is a price action breaking below this level. If we break below this level, people will turn bearish, and then we should see more downside for Solana. But as long as we're moving above this, we should be fine. Okay? Now, look at this. If I zoom in, look at this yellow line that I draw here. This is the last time I talked about Solana, guys, in my channel. Okay, the price action was moving here. I stated in the group chat and in the Telegram group that I have that if Solana breaks above this previous key level of resistance at 161.73, you guys should buy the breakout. Okay, and for those of you who bought it, good job, because look what happened. I rocketed all the way up to $187.54. But why do I want to show this to you? Okay, look, the price action was moving below this previous key level of resistance, okay, at 161.73. And I draw this yellow line to show you how the price action might move in the near future. And look what it did, guys. It moved exactly as I draw it, okay? And that shows you that I know what I'm talking about, basically, okay? That's why I wanted to show you this. Now, there is a lot going on in this chart. These are the price targets. We're looking at Solana USDT 4-hour chart. Okay, guys, that's on Binance. These are the Fibonacci levels and price targets that you should be looking at. Right now, the price is at 155.91. Okay, right below it's this key level of support at 151.48. Okay, 151.48. We might see a short-term pullback on this key level of support. So if we see a small pullback to this level, you might want to consider buying, scaling in Solana. Okay. Otherwise, if we see a continuation move to the upside, we might break above this key level of resistance at 161.73. So if you want to trade this in the short term, you can buy the breakout, buy the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside so you can take profits somewhere around here. Okay. When the price action reaches the next key level of resistance, which is located at 175.32. Also, this is going to be close to the top range when it comes to this top trend line of this channel. So you can take profits here if the price action manages to come all the way up here, and then wait and see. Okay, if the price action breaks above this channel, you can buy the breakout again, scale in on the retest if it happens, and wait for another continuation move to the upside because this is going to be really bullish, guys. Okay. After we break this above this channel, people will FOMO in, okay? Many people are going to start buying Solana, and therefore this is going to push price higher. Now, one of the targets that I have here on the chart is 260.26. So if we break above this channel, okay, there is a very high chance that Solana is going to come all the way up here sometime in the near future, 2025. Now, many people believe that we might see Sol moving sideways until the end of 2024. Okay, so we might not see a breakout until the beginning of 2025. But whenever Sol starts running, we can see a short-term target of about $260.26. Okay, now if you want to be a little more bullish in the short term, this is another target that we might see. Okay, it's about the 395 level. Okay, so this is a realistic price prediction for Solana for 2025, guys. Okay, between $260 and $395. Let's say 400, something like that, something in between. Okay, this is very realistic. It's very possible to happen. However, there are people who are even more bullish on this in the market. Okay, guys, and these people believe that Solana can go all the way up to this region here. Look, about $900 per show and $1,000. Okay, now let's look at the measured move, just so we have an idea. After the breakout, okay, let's say that we break above the channel. So I'm going to start the measured move from the breakout level, which is right here. Okay, if Solana gets to 260.49, which is my first realistic target for Solana for 2025, that's going to be 45.20% move. Okay, that's a big move for a large cap like Solana. Next realistic target that I talked about is 395. From the breakout point to this level, it's a 250% move, guys. Okay, sorry, that's a 120.37%. Okay, that's a good move. Now, for those of you who are really bullish on this project, look at this. $900 per short, it's a 414% move, approximately, from the breakout level. If Solana skyrockets and reaches the $1,000 mark, okay, that's going to be 470%, guys. Okay, 4x, almost 5x your money from the breakout level. Oh, there are people who are even more bullish on this, guys, and they're saying that Solana can reach $2,000. Okay, I don't think so. This is going to be crazy if it happens. Okay, this is going to be great for people who bought Solana all the way down here. That's a 10x move. Okay, I mean, it's not unusual for large cap coins to pull a 10x move during a bull run. Okay, so never say never. Everything can happen in the crypto space. Okay, now it doesn't matter if Solana is going to reach the $2,000 level, the $1,000 level, the 900 level. Okay, the point that I wanted to make in this video is that Solana is going to go ballistic. Okay, it's going to skyrocket. It's one of the market leaders right now. And remember the Pareto principle: the winner takes it all. Now, altcoins that are built on Solana that have smaller market caps, okay, small caps, mid caps that are built on Solana, are basically leverage positions of Solana. So if Solana manages to pull a 5x move, it means that the rest of these altcoins will pull a 10x move, 15x move, 20x move, 50x move. Okay, this is what it means to be a leverage position. For example, when we look at Bitcoin, okay, altcoins are basically leverage positions of Bitcoin. That's all that altcoins are. Okay, Bitcoin is the king, and then everything else is just a leveraged position of Bitcoin, because altcoins have more risk, but they can bring more rewards. Okay, high risk, high reward. Bitcoin is less risk, less reward. Therefore, if we take a look, if we focus on the Solana ecosystem, we have Solana, which is the same thing as Bitcoin in their own ecosystem, and then we have the altcoins that are built on Solana. So I'm telling you that if Solana is just like Bitcoin, the king of its own ecosystem, the rest of the tokens that are built on Solana are basically leverage positions of Sol. Okay, so if you want more risk, high reward projects to put your money in, you should look at projects that are built on Solana. Okay, that are small caps and mid caps. Now, in the future, I'm going to post more videos. Okay, I'm going to talk about altcoins that are built on Solana, and these are leverage positions of Sol. Okay, so for those of you who want higher risk for higher rewards, you should subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these upcoming videos. Okay, that's all I had for you today. Remember, Pareto principle. Solana is currently one of the top performers of this market. That's why it's going to be the performer or one of the top performers of this upcoming bull run. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'll see you on the next videos.